So now what it's doing is it's going to run this spec. It's going to confirm that the tests are failing. And I'm going to accept this and say, please proceed, looks good. So it did exactly what I wanted it to do, which is create the spec, ensure it's failing, and now go ahead and create the feature. So now it's creating the context controller, and it's just doing the index action to start. So I don't mind that, kind of starting small, doing one API endpoint at a time. It's going to go ahead and edit the routes. And it's actually moving this within the V1, which is good. I see, and what you can actually do too is like, here, I'm just going to go ahead and delete that old file. I can kind of take care of this while the AI continues to work. So here it's editing the context spec so that it actually uses the V1. Oh, it's trying to remove the controller I already removed. I'll just hit accept. Now let's run our updated spec. And now it passed, right? So great, our index endpoint is working correctly. Now I'm going to add the remaining CRUD endpoints following TDD. Beautiful, love this approach. So this is kind of how I would have done this as a developer, right? I would have gone through and created the spec. I would have created that first endpoint, made sure it passed, and then moved on to creating more endpoints. So it's just working in a very iterative way, very similar to how a developer would approach this. The tests are important because it gives the AI confidence to continue, or when the tests fail, it gives it context about why it failed, so it can actually fix the code.